Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat, meron tayong isang reaction video dito kay road trip Congressman Ako Pat Goma. Sinibak at itong tourist daw. At ito ay isang si Congressman Bonifacio, Congressman Richard Gomez, Chairman Romeo, Congressman Ako, Kinisan Department, DOT dahil sinuportahan ng Ironman Challenge bilang tourist ride. At panoorin po natin dito sa Senate hearing. Alright, and without further ado, let's do watch guys. Let's get it on.
Rock formation in Dipakulaw.
Hindi na po titigil yung mga riders niyan. Dahil ang intention ng riders ay matapos nga nila ng mabilisan. Kayo naman pilitan, pinipilit nyo na i-connect sa tourism pero I cannot see any aspect of that na may i-connect sa tourism. Pilit na pilit, madam. Di po ba? Baka sa budget, tatanungin ko na yan.
We will consider
magkano ang budget ninyo na in-spend because of this. And people, resources of government are supposed to be equitably distributed. Pero ito, magkano ba ang Ducati na 400? There are more sections of our society who would need more your funds. Di po ba?
Yes, sir. We note your recommendation and we will reconsider support for such activity.
Because I do not see any part of it that would impinge on the any aspect of tourism insofar as your department is concerned. Yun ang nakikita ko. Kasi ang mga tao, pagtigil nga doon, mabilis nga yung pagtigil nila Dahil oras ang hinahabol nila So yun ang issue na nire-raise ni Honorable Gomez.
Itutuloy ko lang ho yung kay Mr. Rivera. Curious lang ho ako. Yung bang 1,200 kilometers na route ng loop ng Ironman to be run in 24 hours. Kung ang average speed natin, let's say na sumusunod tayo sa speed limit natin. At hindi ho lahat expressway. So maraming provincial roads na nasa 80 or 60 kilometers per hour ho tayo. If let's say we run about 60 kilometers per hour, ilang oras ho yung 1,200 kilometers?
60 kilometers per hour, ang baba. Hindi yung matulin, dapat 120.
Anyone from boss answer or
you're supposed to finish it within 20 hours.
20 hours. Yes, sir. So, if you're running for 20 hours, 1,200 kilometers, hindi ba napapagod yung riders na ganun?
Sir, every 250 kilometers, kailangan magpagas. So, when nagpapagas kami, kailangan uminom, mag-CR, mag-snacks. So,
but ang resulta ho doon, it becomes it creates fatigue sa katawan. So, nakakapagod talaga. And tendency is, when you're tired, there's a possibility that you lose control of the motorcycle. Or sometimes you fall asleep and meet an accident.
It's possible, sir. Kaya a few days before the event, talagang yung iba nagpapahinga ng isang araw, hindi na pumapasok para lang mag-prepare para sa event na ito. Pero if you're traveling at 60-70, sir, it's not very strenuous dahil ang adrenaline mo is controlled. So, very few people can really travel around in 1,000 kilometers and still feel strong and relaxed. Nasa timing lang. Saka, as long as you're not doing high speed, hindi ho kayo masyadong magiging stressed.
Thank you, sir.
ATPI, Adventure Team Philippines. Mr. Francis Rivera, Mr. Chair.
Present, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, pwede po bang malaman sa Chairman ng ATPI? Sinasabi po na kayo pala ay may kaparehong event. Hindi man eksakto, pero parang similar dito sa pinag-uusapan natin. Totoo po ba yan?
Well, Your Honor, ako ho ang founding president ng BOSS. Ako rin ang nag-conceptualize ng Ironman Motorcycle Challenge 20 years ago. So, the objective there was to improve the skills of the riders, their navigational skills, and also their endurance capability. When we started it, there were close to 14 participants. This is by invitation. Second year, naging 29, tapos no third year, umabot ho kami ng 40 plus. But sa 3 taong kong pinatakbo yung Ironman Motorcycle Challenge, IMC pa lang ho nun. Wala ho kaming aksidente kasi it was a group fun ride and we always had lunch in Sanchez Mira, which is hosted by the club, so that the participants can eat, can rest, and sabay-sabay ho kaming umuwi ng Manila within 24 hours.
So nabanggit po ninyo, Mr. Chair, na 20 years ago. So meaning 3 years po kayo na nag-handle nitong grupo na to.
Yes po, I was founding president and president of BOSS for 7 years.
So Mr. Chair, after that, binuo na po ninyo itong ATPI. Tama po ba?
Yes po, tinayo ko yung Adventure Team Philippines Incorporated and nag-isip na ho ako ng ibang event na makakatulong sa economy at saka sa tourism ng Pilipinas.
So Mr. Chair, ano po yung kaparehong event na ginagawa ng ATPI?
We call this the Philippine Loop Adventure Tour. Hindi ho siya endurance ride because we're giving the participants 30 riding days to finish it, and hindi ho dapat sunod-sunod yung 30 days. We're giving them 1 year to do it. And meron ho kaming video competition every year wherein we give 150,000 cash to the participant who can present a very nice reality video of his Philippine Loop Tour. So in our 11 years of holding the Philippine Loop Adventure Tour, isa pa lang ho ang namatay. He was a participant who did not inform us that he had comorbidities. So nagpa-dialysis siya sa Tacloban, Davao, in-skip niya yung Bacolod, kaya nagka-organ failure siya sa Mindoro. So far, yung pa lang ho ang...
So Mr. Chair, hindi ito aksidente?
Hindi ho eh.
So in other words, zero accident yung inyong event na pinapagawa?
Meron mga minor accident pero hindi naman ho kasi sila nagmamabilis dahil wala naman hinahabol na oras.
So ito po, Mr. Chair, Philippine Loop.
Philippine Loop Adventure Tour, meron din ho akong Cordillera Adventure Tour. This is to promote the different highways in Kalinga, Apayao, Ifugao, and also the Sierra Madre. Yun ho, walang time limit. You can do it as how many days you want. As long as you complete the route, and then at the end of the tour, we give you a certificate and a t-shirt that you are able to finish it. Meron din ho kaming event called Safe Run. Ito naman ho ay safety at saka fuel economy run. Patipiran ho to. At saka they have to follow all the traffic rules. This is a result-driven event so that we can furnish the Filipino a list of motorcycles that are durable and fuel efficient.
So Mr. Chair, kung ito po ay Philippine Loop and walang time element para kailangang matapos mo agad, more or less ilang kilometers po ito, Mr. Chair?
The basic route is 4,600 kilometers. And if you, let's say you travel for 200 kilometers and you reach Mayon Volcano and you stop there and do your sightseeing, hindi ho sinasama sa riding days yung sightseeing.
Alright guys, ayan na panood po natin at napakinggan dito sa isang tournament dito sa Ironman. Iba-iba pala ang tournament, no, ng motorcycling. At maraming salamat sa panonood at pagkinig dito kay Rob Trip. And see us again sa ating the next one reaction video. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.